Good day everyone, I'm Isagani Solaron. For today's video, we will talk about rationalizing denominator of radical expression. So, how to rational, how to simplify, or how to rationalize this problem. So, first, we're going to do is gawin natin tong hindi square root yung denominator. So, we're going to multiply square root of 2 square root of 2. So, 2 square root of 2. So, multiply 1 times 2 is equals to 2 square root of 2. Then, 2 times 2 is square root of 4. So, square root of 4, so simplify. So, square root of 4 is 2. 2 square root of 2 over 2. So, nagawa na natin itong. So, example number 2. So, 6 over square root of 3. So, same way, you need to multiply square root of 3 over square root of 3. So, multiply. So, 6 times square root of 3. So, 6 square root of 3. Hindi natin pwedeng i-multiply yung square root of 6 and square root of 3. So, then, 3 square root of 3 times square root of 3. So, square root 9. So, then copy square root of 3. Then, square root of 9 is square root of 9 is 3. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, pwede pa natin itong i-simplify. So, we're going to simplify. Divide. So, 6 divided by 3. So, 1. Then, 2. So, pwede natin ito alisin itong 1. So, ang natitira, so, 2 square root of 3. And this is a final answer of example number 2. So, example number 3. So, same way, need to 2 square root of 2 over square root of 5. Then, multiply the denominator, square root of 5, square root of 5, then multiply. Square root of 2 times square root of 5 is equal to square root of 10. Then, denominator, multiply. 5 times 5, 25. Square root of 25. So, square root of 10. Copy the 10. Then, square root of 5. 25 is 5. So, it's a final answer of this example number 3. Square root 10 square root and over 5. And I hope you learn something of this topic. Thank you for watching.